The train number 12810, the Howrah Mumbai CSMT Mail, derailed near Chakradharpur in Jharkhand on July 30 at around 3:45 am. It's important to understand why rail incidents are increasing day by day. Is it really the fault of the railway system, or are there political issues at play? While we may not know the exact reasons, we can explore and imagine the possible causes. Let's delve into the incident and try to uncover the reasons behind it. This train had departed from Howrah on July 29, 2024, Monday at 7:35 p.m. from platform number 21. After a journey of 248 kilometers, the train reached Tatanagar railway station. After leaving this station, the accident occurred just 40 to 60 kilometers away, near Badabambu railway station under the Chakradharpur division of the Southeastern Railway. After leaving this station, the Howrah Mumbai CSMT Mail was running at approximately 110 kilometers per hour. There were wagons on the downline which had previously derailed, with two of these wagons having moved on to the upline. As the Howrah Mumbai CSMT Mail approached, it collided with these two wagons, causing the engine to derail first. Consequently, the derailment of the engine led to the derailment of 18 coaches. Now, I would like to discuss a major issue with the railways. Some people may agree with me, while others may disagree, but this is a concern worth addressing. If we examine the tracks of Indian railways, we notice that many are in an open condition, which poses a significant risk today. The tracks are secured with sleepers and railway clips. Just imagine the consequences if some of these clips were removed. Given how easily they can be removed, this could lead to serious safety issues. Nowadays, some people are trying to blame the government, and this could potentially be a factor in recurring issues in Eastern Railways. If some clips are removed or stolen, also it could lead to a big problem, or indicating the need for more maintenance and modernization. What do you think? Share your comment. Thank you.